Have fun, buddy.
Will do. Good luck. Thank you, sir. What's up, guys? Good morning. I guess it's kind of late morning now. It's like 10 something. But today is officially the first day of race season, which I'm very excited about. We've had a really long off season with COVID and everything, and now with our new series and everything, there's been so much uncertainty. So it's just so exciting to know, like, today we're hitting the road and we're racing, which is just a huge milestone, which I would have never like thought that before, but with COVID, and it's just been a crazy off season. I'm super excited. I'm gonna take you guys through. Today we're heading out to the racetrack in Victorville. Gonna set up all that 9 yards. Right now, I'm at home doing some last minute work, getting caught up. The guys are down in the shop, loading up the truck and whatnot. Just ate some amazing leftover sushi, which cold sushi is like, well, I guess all sushi is cold, but you know, day old sushi is just never the same, but it was still pretty bomb. So I'll take it. I'm gonna finish up this work, then I'm gonna go pack. I'm a last minute packer. I wait till 10 minutes before. Once I finish packing, I will see you guys on the road. Let's get it. Right now it is Friday. We are setting up our full displays. Today's our practice day and kind of setup. So we got the team behind us, our finely trained professionals here. We got Roger, Corey's the real man behind all this, but this is our activation area, and a lot of people are like, what's this? What's this about? But this is where we display all our sponsors. So, as a fan, I'm a fan just walking by, super rad. It's obviously not set up right now, but I can come in, touch, feel, see these things for real life. We always have giveaways. So we got big giveaways, truck giveaways, like truck makeover giveaway, and then we always have, you know, swag, face masks, brochures, posters. So it's a good way for you to come in as a fan, check out all these products, because I can tell you how great they are, but until you touch and feel them, then that's when you truly know, dang, these things are sweet. But it's definitely a lot of work. You can see these guys, they spend almost a full day setting this thing up, getting it to perfect, so then you guys can come and interact. But I think it's well worth it, and I mean, look how good our display looks. I mean, I know I shouldn't say that, but it looks pretty sweet. Struggling right now. Alright, so I'm now a pit reporter here at Gas. So we're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna go around and kind of get the behind the scenes, what's happening, why is everyone here, and why they're excited for this new series. Right now I'm trying to do that pit reporter like we said, but dude, check these out. We got class 11s. These things are bone stock, just bugs. Guys like Wilkie out here just sending them. I just watched their first practice and it's like, hold on. Like they're on the same course we're on, just boom. And these guys are racing. I'm like, it's first practice, guys, chill a little. They're already like banging doors, but hey, it's pretty sick to see. I'm pretty excited. This first year, a lot of people have put a lot of time, money, effort into the series, and we need your guys' support to make this the next big thing. Short course off-road has so much potential to be the next, you know, next NASCAR and stuff. We have so much more action. Crashing is part of our sport, which, I mean, tell me another motorsport where that happens, you know? So, what this new live stream, it is awesome. It is free for everyone. You can watch it on your iPhone, your iPad, your laptop, your TV, anywhere in the world for free. All you gotta do is go to greatamericanshortcourse.com/live, click on there, and you're in. You're watching us. It's live stream. They have drones, they have cameras. They're even letting me be a pit reporter and go behind the scenes and try to get more about the family. So this first year, we'd really appreciate it so we can make this the next big thing.
So
So I heard there's some new competition on the track. Yeah, there's some serious competition, another Ford Ranger out there, so it just got real. It's been a while since this little girl's seen the racetrack, like a real racetrack, so I'm wishing her the best of luck. She's definitely a handful out there with that second seat, but I'm hoping my boy Brody, so, you know, we're trying to get this new series kicked off and we need more cars and cart, you know, so we volunteered our two-seat demo truck out for a little fun. But definitely, at least we're seeing double. COVID it up,
don't
baby.
Spit, don't COVID. Like,
that's probably worse.
Oh, it's from over here.
All right, good morning. Good morning, Bryce.
Good morning.
Today is Saturday. I don't know the actual date, but it's race day. It's our first official race day of the season. Just made my coffee. Bryce just woke up. But it's gonna be a fun day. I'm gonna take you along. We got a lot of stuff going on today, so stay tuned. A lot more than just racing goes on at these events. All right, first thing at these races in the morning is usually a driver's meeting, which I thought was later, but turns out it's right now.
Partnered up and they're doing all the live streaming. His same production staff for King of the Hammers, if you guys have seen that. And,
all right, just finished up our driver's meeting. It was cool to see, you know, it's an all new series, so just seeing everyone come together, see all the hard work coming, but now all the chaos. So it's just getting about time. We're getting ready to go qualifying. We've just been kind of hanging out. The guys behind me right now, they're warming up the truck. With qualifying, it's as soon as we hit the track, we got 2 to 3 laps to make us our fastest lap, which is not a ton of time. So, and with all this moving parts and everything, you want to make sure everything's warm. So these guys go through, the whole crew, they sit up, warm up the motor, gear, all that stuff, so then when I hit the track it's 100%. So when they get the truck ready, you know, that's their specialty. I stay away from that because I'll just screw things up. I usually am in here getting my helmet ready, so we have these things called tear-offs. You're probably like, what are tear-offs if you've never seen off-road? They're these little plastic things. Here, I'll show you, that we put onto the helmet. And so when this gets caked with mud, when we get roosted, you go, and it's a skill that's acquired. Boom. And you're doing it with your right hand, and you're just, and sometimes when it's like really muddy, you're just trying to get some little glimpse of you if it's just swaying you. So these are kind of like an art. There's all these different like tips and tricks on how to put them on, how you like them. Like I like mine folded on the right side in a certain way, so it's kind of preference, but once you figure it out, it's super simple. Trash. So they come in packs of 10, and this is how I do it. Click on there, all like that. Loosen this, boom, fold. So just fold over, click. Then the final touch. SC1 Maxima. This puts a nice thin layer of kind of like a gloss. Helps the mud slide off. Makes the helmet look good. now that I finished my helmet, get suited up. We have a fire suit, then underneath we wear this fireproof layer, which is very warm on hot days like this. Luckily it's not too hot, but you know, once it starts getting over 100, we're in a full thing of long underwear that does not breathe. You feel it.
You're on? Wow, I'm honored
guy, hey.
to be featured.
I'm in here just trying to get dressed, and this guy
I'm just trying to grab a water, dude.
wanders in, then we have him too. Alright, just finished up qualifying. Sounds like we qualified P1. I'm stoked on that because I made a handful of mistakes, but truck was really good. It was super wet out there, so it made it a little dicey those first few laps, but sounds like we're going to be starting second. So my dad goes up once we qualify first, pulls a pill out. It's like a ping pong ball with a number on it, and that determines your starting position just to make it a little more interesting. So starting second, got a fast truck, and I got some things I can work on to make this way faster. So now, since it's so hot and we got like 5 hours till we race, get all back out of this thing, which is not fun because it's a process. It's a process, but in 3, 2, 1. All right, now we're in good stuff. Look at this. Look at this. This is typical media guys right here, just hiding in our pit. Why are you coming in here, Brown Town, huh?
I need a break, okay?
He comes in here, steals all our stuff.
Ooh, speaking of that, do you have some?
I don't know if we have any of the good stuff.
What?
Oh, the soda.
No.
These guys come all for the soda.
Come for the root beer.
Now we just wait. Lots of waiting. Everyone's got the whole guys, they're all tearing down the truck. So every time this thing pretty much comes off the track, it gets like a full tear down. They tear down everything, check everything out, make sure there's no cracks, no issues, and make sure she looks pretty for the main event. So very lucky to have such a good crew that puts so much detail in. Makes my job easy.
3 hours later.
For the past, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours, we've just been sitting around. You can kind of see everyone's starting to flood in. But it's a lot of sitting around doing nothing. We just got someone suited up for a ride along, which is going to happen after we race, but it's getting that time. I'm about to go prep my helmet. Then we'll wait a little bit more, then I'll get suited up and then we'll head up. So should be fun. All suited up, just pulled up into staging. We're starting second. We qualified first, but they flipped the top 2 because of version 2, so should be good. Track looks like it's coming in decent, doesn't look too muddy, hopefully not too dusty for us big trucks, but I'm excited to see. It's been a long day of waiting, so hopefully we can get loose up out there and go having fun. We just finished up the race. Not what we wanted, but you know, the guys gave me a really fast truck. I struggled a little in the beginning. We ended up second. Still tons of fun. This track's super hard to put, pass on, so we had to get a little, you know, we were trying to get ingenuitive and try to find some lines that weren't out there, but just didn't have it in the end. But now we're gonna go hop on the ride along. Pretty excited. I got a ride along Victim. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do this. I'm gonna turn our volume down.
sick. I want to do that again.
We survived.
I know.
That's usually my goal. You know, it doesn't work all the time, but sometimes it works
How
out.
was it? I feel like it was a nice time to go around the track.
It was
It's a
honestly
little
perfect.
dusk.
The sun
that
had
was
just
awesome.
gone down, so like it wasn't in our eyes anymore.
That
What'd
was
you
good.
think?
Yeah.
Pretty wild?
Did you do it again?
Oh
So the racing is kind of wrapping up. I'm getting ready to go to bed. I've been reviewing some data. The boys, Bryce, Carson, Bryson, Brad, Jimmy's inside reviewing more data. They're wrapping it up. I got the easy job. I got to go to bed early so I can wake up early and try to drive a car. Because obviously today there's a lot of trying. But these guys, they stay up for the next couple hours, button this thing up, make it look brand new, and make sure everything is perfect. So extremely lucky. I think I'm gonna go start working my way towards that motorhome. All right, that is a wrap. Full day racing.